Hi, parents! Are you looking to put a fresh spin on story time? Or maybe you want to make bedtime more fun, engaging, and personalized? I've got something you're going to love. Meet Khanmigo's Craft a Story feature. Let me show you how it works. First, we choose a genre. Maybe it's a thrilling adventure or a whimsical fairy tale. I want to write an adventure story. Then, you can co-create a story with your child about their favorite topics. Dinosaurs, princesses, space exploration, you name it. And the best part is that the story can star your kids or their favorite friends. So let me show you. I want my story to star Princess Mira and her trusty kitty, Mal. You'll see that Khanmigo will help you craft a story starring Mira and Mal. Then, after you finish the story, you can enjoy the bonding experience with your kids as you read the story together. If you feel like creating another masterpiece, you can go right ahead. Or maybe they want to hear the same story over and over again. And craft a story is just a small part of what Khanmigo can do. You look here, there are many different things we offer, from tutoring, math and science and humanities, to brainstorming college admissions essays, to debating different topics, or even chatting with literary characters and historical figures. So, are you ready to start personalizing your own stories? Click the link in the description below to get started with Khanmigo.